Hey guys, welcome back to another room tour. Of course it is. I look like this. I think we know how this goes by now. This is the last room tour, well, rooms tour, because these rooms are all quite weird, quirky, slash not necessarily most interesting. So in this video I'm going to be showing you our bathroom, the downstairs like hallway bit, just because there's a little bit of interesting stuff down there, and then the weird room, which is what we referred to as the room behind the office. I didn't include it in the office video just because I wanted to keep that very much just the office, but this is the room if you've seen the empty flat tour for this flat, which I will link below. But if you have seen that video, it is the room with the slanted roof, so there's like space for storage but not really enough space to stand, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get on with this video. In my flat we have a porch, but I'm not going to show you that, so we're just going to start with this door. So this is our actual second door to the main building. This is our entranceway. The stairs lead up to the main part of the flat, but I'm going to quickly show you down here first. This is the shoe rack, and this came with our flat and is our landlord's. I was very happy when we came to see this property and the estate agent said that this came with the place because it means that we have somewhere to store our shoes. There are a lot of light bulbs in our flat, but we don't have enough lampshades, so we settled on putting this one from our old flat in the hallway downstairs. Let's now go up the stairs and into the main part of our flat. At the top of the stairs, you can see the kitchen. Go check out the kitchen tour if you haven't already. Let's go into the bathroom. This bathroom is very, very small and very different from our last flat that we lived in. Our previous bathroom was very modern, had a lot of storage, and was rather large, which is the complete opposite to this one. It does bother me quite a lot, but since the rest of the flat is nice, I can live with not having an amazing bathroom. We keep some candles at the end of the bath and move them when necessary. It comes with a small bath and a shower. This corner holds my products. I use the simple face wash, which is right in the back, so you probably can't see that. Shower gel and the shampoo and conditioner are from Functional Beauty. Sadly, they're not sponsoring this video. I know they do a lot of YouTuber sponsorships. Unfortunately, this is not one of them. But I do highly recommend ordering your own custom-made shampoo and conditioner because it has really changed my hair and it's so much nicer and softer. By the taps we have one of those window wiper cleany things, just so we can clean the shower when we're finished. This corner contains Chris's products, most of which are currently empty, so he needs to chuck them away. Although it is a small shower head, the water pressure here is amazing, which is different to our old flat, which had really bad water pressure. As there isn't much space for storage in this bathroom, we've used an over-the-door hook to hang all our towels on. This is the only mirror in this bathroom. It's really small and I really don't like it, but it's all I've got and it does the trick, I guess. Here's our sink, which is standard and it has Boots soap. Next to the sink, we keep scales, which we don't really use, but they're just there. This is the only window in the bathroom. On the windowsill, we keep our toothbrushes, toothpaste, and another small candle. This is my electric toothbrush I got for Christmas and I love it. Moving along, we have our toilet. Again, pretty standard. Next to the toilet, we have our bin and some cleaning products. Guys, if you don't have a bin in your toilet, it's so annoying. Any female or person who has a vagina, you need to have a bin. Like, it's just a necessity. Get a bin, please. This is what we keep behind the door. On the floor we have this wooden box that contains our toilet roll just to keep it hidden away. We also have this small towel rack, which is handy, but I wish it was bigger. We got this shelving unit from IKEA when we first moved in, and it's really useful and holds all our toiletries. On the floor we have this bath mat, which honestly needs a really good clean. Out from the bathroom we have this other hallway. To the left is our bedroom and straight on is the living room. Check out both those video tours if you haven't already. This wardrobe space is another thing I was very excited about. We had this empty space up here, and when we first moved in, I suggested we put a wardrobe downstairs by the shoe rack and use it to store all our coats in. We soon realised that it wouldn't fit down there, but we had this really good space up here, and it was the perfect size for a wardrobe. It also has a drawer that contains my bags, hats, and scarves. Then we go upstairs to the top. If you've seen the office tour, you'll know this is where these stairs lead up to. Since that video, I put up fairy lights and these Polaroids. What I didn't mention in that office tour was that we have a secret room behind our office for storage. It's a bit of a mess, but it's very, very useful. In our old flat, our office was also our storage room, and it made it so cluttered and hard to work in. So this extra room is amazing. The main issue with this room is that it actually has a slanted roof, so you have to be very careful walking around. That's exactly what I was demonstrating not to do. You can see that we have a day bed in here. Really old viewers of this channel may know that this is the same bed that was in my bedroom at my mum's house. It has lots of pillows on it, as well as a load of soft toys that we don't want to display anywhere else, but they have sentimental value to us. We're also able to store items under the bed too. This room has a skylight and blinds that are hard to close. You can see Canary Wharf from this window too. There are 2 lights in this room, and both of them are so ugly. And the rest of the room just holds junk, things we're trying to sell, and some moving boxes. This wardrobe was originally in the office, but we moved it into here to keep it out of the way. And there you have it. You have seen every single room in my new flat that is nicely decorated and to my liking. If you haven't seen the rest of the room tours in my new flat, definitely go check them out. I will leave a link to them all below, definitely, because this is probably the worst one. So definitely go check out the rest of those. If you did enjoy this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye guys.